Hi everyone, my name is Denise and welcome to my travel vlog. As you can see, I'm not in my dressing room, but I am traveling. I'm actually in Portugal now, and I have a bad case of jet lag. It's 8 hours difference from where I am, and it's been really brutal. But anyways, I thought I'd share with you today a 3-month review of my Coach idle bag. I took, let's see, 3 bags with me on this European trip, and I just wanted to give my opinions on this bag. Now, I did a unboxing of this bag, so I won't go through that, but as you can see, it is like, it's a gorgeous bag. There's no doubt about that. It's high-end quality. It's one of Coach's higher-end bags. I mean, it's just gorgeous. I have the crossbody strap on it. I did bring the gold brass chain, but I wanted to specifically use this as a crossbody. Now, one thing is it's calf box leather. It's so luxurious to the touch. It's just absolutely gorgeous. The only thing I had issues with was opening and closing because of this strong magnetic. But now I have it down pat. You got to kind of get your nails, you can see, like right in between there, and then pull up, which I don't really like because I don't like that. I'd rather just be able to open a bag easier than with digging with my nails. So that's one issue that I've had with traveling. And I also wanted to use this to carry my Osmo Pocket 3 camera, which I'm filming on right now, so I can't show you. So I thought it would fit in here, but it does, but it is quite cumbersome, and it's hard to get in and out of, because this is what I would take for what I would need daily while we're sightseeing, visiting family, going out for dinner, things like that. So if I take the stuff out of here, it's very minimal. I have my reading glasses, lipstick, card case, keys, and my mini pochette. That is basically it if I was going out for the day. And so what I had planned, or what I did try, is I put my Osmo camera in this front here. So I would take it apart, put it in this front part here, and then I'd have to use the second divider to put the other part of it in. Then when I add everything back in, I could probably get away with leaving this, but I like it because it carries my euros, my change, and, you know, instead of just being in this zip pocket. But I guess I could have put it in the zip pocket, but again, like I said, it's quite a tiny pocket to get in and out of. So once I did that, once I put in the camera, and then I put in these few items, this did not work for me for travel. So if I put everything back in, even you can see my lipstick here, my reading glasses. Oh, and I forgot to say my sunglasses. So obviously I'd be wearing my sunglasses, but if we went into a cafe, I wouldn't be wearing them. I'd, you know, put them in my bag. So even with just that, it's kind of hard to get in and out of. And like I said, I did get it initially for the crossbody. So it would be able, and it does, you can't see it, but it does sit nicely on my frame. Yeah, you can't even see it. So it does sit nicely on my frame. So that wasn't the issue. It was just, it was getting in and out of it. And I've actually wrecked a few nails just even by doing that. And I have to be extra careful because these are, so you can see this nail broke here, and these are my real nails. They just have shellac on them. So it's getting in and out. See, even right now. So hang on. Oh my gosh. Because it's completely full, it's hard to get in and out. So yeah, so for traveling, this would be a hard no. A hard no for me. For running around at home, using daily at home, yeah, fine. Because when I'm at home, I'm not even gonna carry this stuff. So I wouldn't be carrying my pochette mini. I'd be carrying obviously my glasses, my reading card, and my reading glasses, and my cards, and maybe a little bit of cash. And everything would fit. And I know there's people are gonna say, well, you got this front flap here, but this is really, really, really tiny. I mean, I can stretch it, but it's pretty tiny. And then this back part here, again, it would just be for I don't know, receipts. I mean, I wouldn't even put cash back there because then your money is, you know, right out in the open. So yeah, for traveling, this bag wasn't for me. So, and I actually didn't bring my Neverfull on this trip because I brought it on my last trip, and I thought, oh, I hate how you couldn't zip it up, and I always had to put like a scarf above it. But you know what? My Neverfull could carry everything, and because I had everything in pouches and things like that, and I definitely would have been able to fit the camera. So what I'm thinking when I get back home is maybe a graceful Louis Vuitton, maybe that type of bag would be great for me for one of my next bags. I really like it with the ballerina pink. So anyways, but I do like this bag, but for traveling for me, no. I'd be interested in what you guys think of it. If you have this bag, do you like using it for a daily bag? Has anybody actually used it for travel? And are you okay with stuffing it, you know, so everything is stacked? I'm just not like that. If I put something in my bag, I like to be able to get in and be able to take it out. You know, this way, like I said, it could all fit, but I'd have to like take everything out. So yeah, so that is my review after 3 months. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe and hit the like button, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.